So here's how you can change your Instagram's region/country on your Instagram account. It's actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any steps. The very first thing that you need to do is to open up your Instagram app, and you also want to make sure that your Instagram app is completely updated to the latest version. And so from here, you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. Now that's going to lead you to your profile page, and if you want to change your country and region, or just have a country and region in the first place, you want to first make sure that your Instagram account is actually made as a professional account. So go ahead and tap on the three bars on the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down to the really bottom, and then you're going to find this option that says account type and tools. Go ahead and click on that, and then simply click on switch to professional account. And continue. And then now, so you want to choose a category, so it doesn't really matter. And then now you want to make sure that you set it as a business account. Click on next. And then so now under your phone number, there's an option to add a business address. So go ahead and click on that. And then you want to change your location to whatever you are currently in, or just whatever you want. All right. And then once you have set up your location, simply click on save. Next. Skip. And then you just have to set up your professional account and do all these steps. And so once you have finished setting up your professional account, you have now changed your country/region on your Instagram account.